Hi friends, my name is Shovraj Pal and you are watching Knowledge Hub. Today our topic is what can we use instead of the paid version of Microsoft Office. I know some of you have original Microsoft operating systems in their machines, in their laptops, in their PCs. So they can't use the pirated versions of Microsoft Office. So here comes a problem. We need a free, reliable software which can take the place of the Microsoft Office in these days. And we have the solution. The name of the solution is Free Office. Yes, you heard me correct. Free Office. So today I am going to tell you how to install that free Office in your PC and your laptop, and I am going to show you the first look of it and how can you modify and customize its themes. So without wasting time, let's get into it. So to install free Office, we need to first jump into the browser. So in my case, I am just going into the Chrome browser here. It is just opening. So here is my Chrome browser, you can see. Now in the search bar here, you just have to type the name. You just have to type the free Office. So here is the search results of free Office. So we are just going to the first option here, the first link. So it is the official website of free Office. So as you can see here, find out more. Here's some details about their company and some advertisements, etc. So now you just need to download the software. So to do so, you just go to the download, then the application, and click on the application. After that, this page comes up. So here is the download links for Mac, Windows and Linux. So now according to our PC, I am just going to click on this as I have a Windows laptop here. So as you can see here, it is downloading. So now I am fast forwarding the video. Now as you can see, I have already installed it. So let's open it. So as you can see, here is showing us that preparing for the installation. Now it is just preparing its files. Now just hit on the next button. Then after reading this, you just need to click on the checkbox that you are accepting all the terms and conditions. Then the next button. Then you just need to click on the install button with the default options. The installation will start then. So it is going to just take some few minutes according to your PC specifications. If you have a very good RAM, then it would take less time, but as I have 4 GB of RAM, so I think I need to stop my screen recording. After when it is done, we will meet. So guys, as you can see, the installation has been completed and the icons are respectively displaying here. Text Maker is the substitute of Microsoft Word. Then the Plan Maker is the substitute of Microsoft Excel, and the presentation is a substitute of Microsoft PowerPoint. So firstly we are going to look at the Text Maker. So let's open it up. So here is a theme wizard here, as you can see. Firstly, the ribbon type of themes here, as you can see that the color theme, the light theme and the dark theme. And in case of the classic menu, there are two different themes, one is dark and one is light. So we are going for the ribbon and dark mode. So we are choosing that, and then here is the checkbox. So according to this checkbox, it says touch mode, which means the larger icons and the menu entire. So we are going to check it out and then press the OK button. So here is a user window wizard here. This window is going to ask you some details. If you want to give these details, you can fill it up. So I am going to fill this. Then the company name, I don't have a company name. Instead of that, I am giving the channel name. Then the department, so I'm just skipping this. Then the address, I'm not giving the address. State, zip code, city Kolkata. Then country India. Then the phone number. Then I don't have that much of phone numbers, so I'm going to give my email ID. So here is my email ID. Then website, I don't have a website, so now we are going to OK. So here is the text editor here. So this is the overall lookout of the, so it is the text editor here. You can see the window. This is the look of the text editor. You can increase or decrease the margin lines by sliding these lines, and then also you can slide the header lines and just customize that. And as you can see, it is pretty similar with the Microsoft Word. And here is the taskbar, menu bar, layouts and reviews, etc. as given in the Microsoft Word. It is totally similar. And now we are just going to check out the fonts. So here are the fonts. I think these are the pretty similar with Microsoft. So if you have any Microsoft Office file and you just want to open that file with this text editor, then I think you are not going to face any type of problem. So that is all for text editor. Now we are going to check out our plan maker. So we are just going to open up our plan maker. So we are just clicking on the plan maker. So as you can see that it is a type of spreadsheet here. It is quite similar with the Excel sheets, and here is displaying the sheet number here, and here is the layout window, insert windows, formulas, datas, and review and view. It is totally similar with the Excel sheets. Just you can type if you wanna add these up. You just need to go to home. Here is the auto sum option. After clicking that, you can see here is the sum of these numbers. So it is truly so easy. So now after that we are going to see our presentation here. So clicking on the presentation icon. So here is our presentation window. Now as you can see, it is totally based on the PowerPoint, and now if you can see that you have some templates here and some fonts. It is similar as default fonts of Microsoft Word. It is a default font for Microsoft Word, and it is default for here too. So that is all for today, guys. So I hope now you can install the free Office suite for your PC, because sometimes using the paid version of a software is not that much effective, and sometimes the free versions are most preferable. So I think this video is helpful for you, and I will meet you in the next video. So bye bye for today, guys. So I think this video is helpful for you, and I have given the links in the description box below from where you can check it out, this website. And if you have any type of doubts regarding this video, then please ask me in the comment box below. And if you are not a subscriber yet of my channel, then go and hit the subscribe button and the notification bell icon so that you can get the notifications as early as possible. So take care and goodbye.